Adi Adepitan is a top wheelchair basketball player. He was in the British Paralympic team in Sydney.
Respiration is important to everyone. When the oxygen in the air you breathe in and the glucose in food react in your cells, energy is released. The energy produced when these things react is used all over the body. But what happens to the carbon dioxide and the water from the respiration reaction? Come here. Well, the water ends up in the air you breathe out, and so does the carbon dioxide. It's an invisible gas and you can't see it, but sports scientists can measure it. Now, this is Vicky, our sports scientist for the day. What's up? Now, by comparing the air I breathe in with the air I breathe out, she can work out just how efficiently my body's working. And as an elite athlete, I need to get as much energy as possible from every breath I take in. First, she collects the air I breathe out in 1 minute while I sit here and chill out. And believe you me, this is the easy part of the test. Next, I have to do some work. This is what's called a submaximal level of activity. Again, she collects the air I exhale in 1 minute. Finally, I have to really go for it. Push it to the max.
Excellent. Keep working then, Addy.
This is hard on my muscles. Eventually, they're working so hard the oxygen can't get there quick enough, which causes a build-up of lactic acid, and that's when it hurts.
Keep going, 2 seconds, keep going, and relax.
I can only do this kind of exercise for a few minutes before I have to stop. Next, it's time for Vicky to analyse the contents of the bags. How does the air I breathe in compare with the air I breathe out?
Air is a mixture of gases, normally 20.9% oxygen and 0.05% carbon dioxide. But once inside the body, it doesn't stay that way. At rest, the percentage of oxygen in the air Adi breathes out has dropped from 20.9 to 17.7%. His body is using oxygen, but the amount of carbon dioxide has risen from 0.05 to 2.5%. At a submax level of activity, the amount of oxygen Adi breathes out has fallen slightly, but the amount of carbon dioxide has risen to 3.6%.
Now, while Vicky's working out what all this means, take a look at what's happening inside the body.
Carbon dioxide and water travel in the blood to the lungs. Here, they pass into the lungs' airspace. The lungs allow gases to exchange. As carbon dioxide passes out of the blood, oxygen passes in.
How did I do?
Well, if I compare your results
Finally, Vicky's calculated that the changes in the air that Adi breathes out means his body is working more efficiently.
Yes, wicked. European Championships, here I come.